Hi everyone. Today I would like to discuss about in basic settings fiscal year variant. Initially, what do you mean by variant? It's like a variant is like it is an object for which some values are defined. When this object is assigned to other object, then those values are also applicable to that other object. This is called variant principle. The variant principle is widely used in SAP. So initially, what is variant I have explained, and fiscal year. What do you mean by fiscal year? Fiscal year is so called as financial year is a time period which is used to prepare the financial statements in organization with the help of fiscal year variant. SAP determines whether the financial year is calendar year or non-calendar year. What do you mean by calendar year, non-calendar year? Simply we can tell that calendar is nothing but its starting month. It starts month is January to December, as we are aware of the calendars in our house. It is like January to December. In fiscal year variant, we also specify the number of posting periods for a fiscal year. Here in SAP, posting periods is nothing but like a period is a month, and every calendar year is having 12 periods, like we can call as 12 months. And what do you mean by non-calendar year? Non-calendar is a calendar which starts from in the non-calendar year itself tells that it's non-calendar means it's not from January to December. Some we can take as example, like according to the Indian books of standards, like we are following the fiscal year April to March, so we can call as a non-calendar year. Means SAP has given few predefined fiscal years variants. Example like K4 calendar year January to December, V3 non-calendar year April to March, and many more are there. So here you have to understand is like fiscal year is also called accounting year. The accounting year having the periods of 12 months for which the organization generally prepare the financial statement. The financial year may the calendar year or it may be a non-calendar year. So according to the country it varies. According to our country we are following April to March. This is the non-calendar year. So this is about the fiscal year. So we will see in the SAP how we will be configuring into the SAP. Just log into SAP by giving the user ID and password. This is the SAP screen, and we will go by the path or T code. First of all, we have to define the variant. I have told about the variant. We can call as reusable transaction, and the following steps has to be performed. This is the T code we have mentioned here. Slash OB29 is the T code, and if you observe here, this is the path. Financial accounting, financial account globing setting, financial year, assignment, assign company code. So there is a for fiscal year you have to create, like we can see why OB29 is the T code. So you can go and click here slash n OB29. So you can see that already is having financial years created by the users and predefined by the SAP. So we will use one by one. As predefined by SAP, we are having like a V3. And what is V3? We see V3, if you see here, is the V3. If you see here, V3 is the fiscal year variant created and predefined by the SAP. And description, if you see here, April to March, and number of posting periods is 12. Number of special periods are 4 or predefined by the SAP. So V6 is July to June and V9 is October to September. Likewise, we can see the calendar year also K4. This is K4. If you go and see what is K4 means calendar year, means it follows the calendar year January to December. We will see one by one. So if you go to the V3, for suppose it's a non-calendar year, you can see here the description that it's like consisting of 12 periods, whether it may be calendar or non-calendar. It's consisting of 12 periods, like months we can call as 4 special periods. If you select this line item and go to the periods, what are the periods which are available in SAP means, like if you see here, where fiscal year variant is V3, post number of posting period is 12, and V3 describes the April to March and 4 special periods. Number of special periods are 4. So if you observe here, these are the months: first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, sixth month, seventh month, eighth month. So this is the 10th month, this is the 11th month, and 12 months. Every financial year is consisting of 12 months, but thing is like we are following the calendar year, non-calendar year. Calendar year is nothing but January to December. Non-calendar is like April to March, like July to June, October to September, like that. They country to country differs. So we can go with the non-calendar year, April to March. Means like month is starting with the April. Here, if you observe here, this is the January, this is the February, March, like 12 months, like January to December. This is the calendar year. Of course, we are following non-calendar year as a fiscal year according to books of standards, India standards. So we follow the April to March. So if you see here, observe. Of course, this is the fourth month is April. We are taking into first month as a consideration that we are following non-calendar year as a fiscal year. Now the fiscal year is 2024 2025. So if you observe here, first month is April, second month is May, third month is June, fourth month is July, fifth month is August, sixth month is September, October, November, December. And if you see here, after 12 months 2025 is coming. So this is the year 2025 minus 1 means 2024, minus 1 2024, minus 1 2024. If you observe here, this January is the 10th month, February is the 11th month, and March is the 12th month. Even though year is shifting, the system is telling that 2025 is shifting, even though it's minus 1 means it's up to March, April to March, that is 2024. So this is about the financial year. System will calculate as per non-calendar starts from April to March. So 2025 minus 1 2024 up to April to March, the system will calculate the 2024 as a non-financial non-calendar year as a financial year of Indian books of standards. So it will take into consideration. So this is the explanation of the financial year. We will see how to create our own financial year. For suppose, go back. If you want to create one financial year as our own, just select it, and here if you see here, just new entries, and copy this predefined one given by SAP. So what you will do is like, I will create with own name. For suppose T9, just I copy it. Yes, if you observe here, whatever the V3 is having the fields, I am copying that to T9. A name, I put a name as fiscal year variant T9, and copying what are the fields from having V3. I am copying from V3 to T9. So system is asking to copy all. Just I will copy all. So here if you observe, number of independent entries copied 508. I just it's telling that this was copied, so I want to enter it. So if you see here number of entries copied, then you don't forget to save it. So you have to forget, you have to save it. A transport request, it will come and it will be stored through the transport request to database, and you just tick mark, put a tick mark. So the data was saved, T9. So once I want to show you again V3, and you can see the V3 here, and you just select it and go to double click periods. These are the periods that are available in V3, and we have to make sure that we have copied from V3 to V9 name as a fiscal year variant our own. So we will see that whether these entries are copied or not to T9. Yes, T9. So press enter. You just select it and see the periods were copied or not. These are the things copied. Like if you observe here, we name as a fiscal year variant T9 April to March, and 12 months periods means number of posting periods. These are the things I told you. No, first month to 12th month is January to December. Even though we it's having a calendar year, we are following the non-calendar year as April to March. So April is the first month, and December is the ninth month. So if you go up, 10th month is January, 11th month is February, 12th month is March. So if you observe here, year shift means even though after December the year will shift to 2025, and system is telling that -1 means like 2025 -1 is 2024 up to March. This is the explanation of financial year or fiscal year. I have we have seen through predefined one. We have created our own variant and named as a physical variant by copying the existing predefined one. So what we have to do is like we have to assign it. After creation, we have to assign it. How we will be assigning means like in OB in /n OB37 is the T code for assigning the physical year variant to particular company code. For suppose if you have any company code, just go to the company code and you make sure that, for suppose I am having company code TM30, and put a tick mark that, and you can change here whatever you have created the company code. Here I have created the T9. Just go to this binocular symbol, find, and you just type here T9, and you search here, and T9 is available what we have created, and you just assign here that to our company code we are using 2024-2025 fiscal year as non-calendar year, mentioning that April to March. So we can save it. You can save it like this. To transport request you can save it. This is about to know the fiscal year, how to create the fiscal year variant by predefined one by SAP. Already we are having V3, and from that we have copied to and we have named as a variant. It's a reusable transaction, and we have assigned to a company code, and we are telling that to a company code that this is the fiscal year we are using, this is the variant. Through variant we are linking to a company code, then only the company code will be linked with this variant with number of posting periods 12, and it should be understandable as a non-calendar year as like April to March, and year shift is -1. Even though after December the year is changing, but the system is telling that it should be make sure that -1 up to March. So April to March 2024 to 2025 we call as a fiscal year, and the number of months which is available more in that year is called a fiscal year fiscal year we call as. Okay.